I first heard about the Cumming Nature Center, Mr. Shaver, the CSE from Penn Yan School District, had invited myself and my boss, Deb Favors Kuhn, out to tour the facility. We went out there and identified this might be a nice collaboration with the center that would help our students and also help the center itself. So we were able to have Nathan from the center come over to Keokuk College and talk about the possibility of doing a field period for our drive students during the month of January, which he thought would be a great idea. He gave us a list of tasks that we might do for them, and we also provided our staff that information and set up a committee to explore the option of going out there in January, and I've gone out there twice since.
I first learned about the DRIVE program from Dick Schaefer. He was really instrumental in making this all happen. He got us all sitting at the table to talk about how this collaboration is a win-win. It's helpful for everybody. We're happy to have offer the DRIVE students this field experience. So we are getting an amazing amount of stuff done, and it's great to have them here, and they bring a lot of life to the center.
I'm in the education group. So far, we've repainted walls, we've made a chalkboard, we painted the ceiling tiles so it looks like the sky. We are currently working on painting the radiators to green to look like grass. I'm enjoying it here just to see the classroom coming together and see how our hard work is going to pay off in the end. It's just really fun to work as a group and just watch it all come together.
good.
For the drive program, I am also in charge of the maintenance group out here at the Nature Center. Some of the tasks that we've done have included some patch painting, some painting of registers and toe kicks along the bottoms of rooms, and just general maintenance, so cleaning bathrooms, sweeping, mopping, dusting high places, taking care of some yucky spiders. So it's been kind of a good time. How I feel about the collaboration that we're doing between Drive and the Cumming Nature Center, I think it's a wonderful opportunity, not only for the Drive program, but as well as the ARC feeds in general, because it's offering our students and other individuals that we serve an opportunity to work on their vocational skills and also to get out and get some real world experience.
On my way, on my way, on my way, on my way. I would like to reach out my hand, oh, me say, oh, me tell you to run. On my way, on my way. Nobody say, nobody on. Well, pick me up with golden hand, oh, me say, oh, me tell you to run. On my way, on my way. Nobody say, nobody on. Well, I would like to hold my little hand.
I help facilitate the service group that has about 5 students. Their responsibilities here at the center are to make sure that the main lobby is clean and acceptable for visitors. Our students in the service group are learning about how to man a service desk and the proper etiquette to greeting individuals that come to the center and giving them all the information they need for the trails and the history of the Nature Center. I believe that this is a great opportunity for the Nature Center here and the Drive program to collaborate. It's giving our students the opportunity to learn more skills about service, responsibility, and the skill of having the responsibility of completing jobs to the standards of a visitor center. And a great opportunity for our students to learn nature and enjoy the nature as well.
You put my life in motion, your love makes me wanna give my ready, set, go, so love, I'm not holding back anymore, like an engine ready to explode, I'm ready, set, go, can't stop, this clock keeps counting down, so many lost waiting to be found, oh yeah, I will go where you're leading me, God, reach my hands to the least of these, I'll be the hope, be the light, be the love right now, starting right now, you put my life in motion, your love makes me wanna give my ready, set, go, so love, I'm not holding back anymore, like an engine ready to explode, I'm ready, set, go, keep it okay, give me the green. My broken pieces, you pick them up. Don't leave me hanging, come give me some. When I'm without you, I'm so insecure. You are the one thing I
So right now we're working on some benches. We're also working with other groups like the classroom group. They're asking for us to make a table and a frame for a chalkboard. So I think we'll have more projects as all the groups progress. But right now we're just working on some benches for the trail.
Let's come alive. We'll see the whole world tonight through a new set of eyes. I'll help you realize all over the place there's hurt and there's rage. Together we'll fight. We'll show them the light. Do you ever wonder if there's more to this life? We don't wanna run, we don't wanna hide. We just wanna light up the fire inside. We wanna go where no one has gone.
Just helping them bring the nature center back to life.
My favorite part about being here at the Nature Center is watching the classroom come together, watching it be the way it was and now where it is now. It looks amazing and I'm so proud to be a part of it, and I can't wait to see next Friday to see the finishing touches come on it and stuff.
Designing the classroom.
Part of the Cumming Nature Center is kind of experiencing some new things, like learning more about the trails and some of the responsibilities that each group has.
Videographer, as I can take pictures and take videos and edit them on iMovie.
So my favorite thing about being out at Cumming Nature Center is really giving the students an opportunity to display all of their amazing abilities. Regardless of what group they're in, every student has really shined.
The change that we've seen in the classroom and the experience that the students have got to achieve, and knowing that they can do things that they thought they couldn't do.
All the students have been engaged. The staff has been phenomenal arranging the projects, and we finally had a tour out of what they've been doing, and we went to the videography group, we went to the carpentry group, the classroom, the maintenance group, and the services group. We were amazed to see how engaged our students were and how much pride they took in the projects. One of the main comments that really struck home to me was the fact that 3 students specifically spoke about the teamwork that they learned about doing this project. Field periods are designed for experiential education. This has been a phenomenal experience, and we hope to expand on this experience, hopefully in June, and to make this an annual event.
So my favorite part about the DRIVE program is just the immense contribution that they're making to the Nature Center. It's fun to have so many people invested in our future. And it's fun to have so much new energy and life brought in, so many new ideas. It's a lot of fun. How's that? Is that good?
treasure